Microphone check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We are live.
We are live in the building.
She scores. Amazing to see you back here, guys. We are creating another recipe. This one is a twist on a traditional dish that some of you may have eaten.
Traditional dish.
KFC.
It's one of those delicacies found on the high street.
You know, recipes passed down generations. Has anyone been to KFC and had the popcorn chicken? You know, I actually haven't had it, but this recipe is a vegan twist. It's a vegan version of the classic KFC recipe.
I know nothing about you.
Nothing. My name's not actually Roxy. Sorry, you heard it here first. So yeah, we created a vegan version, super spicy, it's crispy, delicious and juicy.
Spicy.
Not too spicy.
Subtly spicy.
Subtly spicy.
Yeah. We use paprika and oregano to give it that herby, warm, aromatic kick. And when I say these are Moorish, I mean these are so Moorish.
We're like this.
Gub, 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 gub.
So without further ado, we should crack on with the recipe and get going. So first things first, we're gonna grab a tea towel and bash our crisps in it with a rolling pin. We're using paprika crisps here. The flavour works so well in this recipe. Just watch out, some crisps use milk, but just check the ingredients on the back of the packet and hopefully you'll be good to go. So then just pop them in a bowl.
Exactly, and then we're gonna add our remaining dry ingredients, get some flour in there with some dried oregano, some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a pretty generous pinch of salt and some pepper. And then when you're ready, give it a good old stir and then leave that bowl to one side.
So dry mixture is done, time to create our wet mixture. So we're creating a vegan buttermilk. So we're adding some plant-based milk to a bowl, some apple cider vinegar, and that's gonna react and create the buttermilk. Super exciting. And we're just gonna add some hot sauce there just to give things a little bit of a kick and stir it around. And then it's pretty much done. Set that to one side.
Wicked, and then we're gonna bring in our tofu. We're using extra foam tofu. The brand we use means that we don't have to press it beforehand because there isn't that much moisture in there, and we're gonna use our hands just to break it apart into really rough and ready pieces. It's gonna be super easy. And then give it a good old seasoning with some salt and pepper on both sides. We wanna try and get as much flavor into this tofu as possible. We're not marinating it, we want it to be super speedy, so we're just gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and then we're pretty much ready to go.
So our first piece is ready to be dunked. So we're first going with some flour, just to get rid of the excess moisture, then straight into our buttermilk mixture with that hot sauce in there, and next, and finally, our dry mixture.
Look at the colour as well.
Mixture that's got all the herbs and spices, so much flavour. And then straight into a pan, we're shallow frying these. Make sure the oil is nice and hot so they're sizzling away, and just give them a turn every couple of minutes so there's a golden crumb across the whole nugget.
Yes, look at these guys, they look so good. Right, the trick is to leave them on some kitchen paper to soak up any excess oil and then sprinkle over some extra salt to make them extra crispy.
Delicious, and straight in a burger sauce. They've got ketchup and vegan mayonnaise mixed
look
together.
at that.
And look at it.
Delicious.
Delicious.
There you go. Our popcorn chicken, veganized, using tofu. Also, guys, you can bake it if you want a healthier version, but we like it
nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy, exactly. There you go. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment in the comments below, let us know what you think, and as always, hit that subscribe button. We've got some awesome recipes coming up very soon.